In today's video, you will learn how to click on all of the links inside of a table or inside of a list. Now, this can be a very common scenario when you are automating to have to click on all of the buttons inside of a table or all of the buttons inside the dynamic list that is loading. So, in today's example, we are going to be going to the OpenSea's website and we're going to be looking at some NFTs. The objective of this will be to click on all of the links inside of this table. And I will show you now exactly how to do this. The first thing that we have to do is we have to extract the links that we want to click on. Now we can do this in a few different ways. We can record the browser or we can just drag and drop the extract data from web page action. After we have done that and we have identified and spied the links that we want to select, after that we are going to create a loop. Inside of this loop we are going to add the output variable that has been created for us from our extraction, and we are going to use the method rows count. Now this inside of our loop will allow us to cycle through all of the links that we have created. Therefore, this is going to be dynamic. Inside of our loop, we are going to click on each one of these links. So we are going to add, drag and drop the click link on web page action, and this we're also going to add a UI element. We are going to add a UI element that is going to be the link to the link of that we want to click. We will also have to select maybe two different links so that we can just compare and try to understand what changes in one to the other so that we can create a dynamic link. Now, what do I mean by a dynamic link? Here we have different links that we want to click on. Link 1, link 2, link 3. Let's take a look at this selector. Inside of this selector, we have a number that keeps on changing. This is the number that represents or that increments for every single row. So we have to change this number and make this number dynamic. So we can also use, for this number, we can use the loop index. So the loop index is going to go from 1 until throughout all of the rows and is going to click on each one of these rows. Once we have created and added the variable inside of the selector builder, inside of our UI selector, now the only thing that remains is to add a go to web page action to go back in the link. So what our process is going to do is going to extract all of the links inside of this table and it's going to click on each one of these links and then go back to our table. Now, obviously, after we click inside of the link, we can do different actions, extract different things. But right now we are just doing a demonstration just to show how this process works. So let's try out our process and see what it does. As we can see, it is opening the correct web page and now it is starting to click on the different links. Thank you so much for watching RPA Champions. And if you have questions or if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I have included a very interesting playlist up, the link is above, and keep an eye out for this new course about the citizen development that I will be making in the near future. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.